Tom, I also want to ask you about Evergrande, another $150 million in coupon payments on dollar bonds due this week. And it seems contagion or spillover threat seems to be percolating throughout the markets.
It is. To some extent, the focus has shifted away from the plight of Evergrande and to that spread. So you have companies, developers in China like Modern Land, which, for example, has proposed that it delay a bond payment by 3 months. You have Xinyuan Real Estate as well, proposing that they pay just 5% of principal. This was after Fantasia Real Estate. They came out with a surprise default last week. And as you say, of course, Evergrande has not been wrapped up in any shape or form. You have dollar bond payments that are due this week for that company. And so far, it seems at least that the government is continuing to sit back and see just how far this bleeds into the system. They're, of course, going to focus on liquidity conditions, but this is at a point where US dollar high-grade bonds in China are now yielding above 17%. So that spread very much continues.